GoPro stopped recording. So what I did was make a stop cut with my saw. And we're just going to take the knife and cut grooves like this, shave grooves down. So as you can see here, the notch does work. I definitely would have put that on the back side had I thought about that better. But nevertheless, it does work. Putting up just fine. One more project in the books, right? So if you like that, like, share, and subscribe as always. Appreciate everything you do. Leave me a comment down below. And put a smiley face in your comment if you watch this video all the way through.